master and two bath, 1208 square feet. You're gonna have Bluetooth speakers on the living room, LED efficient lighting.
This one definitely has a bigger feel. I think you said it was 50 square feet larger, but it feels more than that. So I may have missed recording the laundry room in the other floor plan, but the laundry room was gigantic in the other one. So I feel like we're gaining some space by taking away from the laundry room, but we are adding to the living space. And that's a tankless water heater in there. So at the other house, there was a very small, floor plan, dining area, but this flows together. So it seems like it's much more usable space, in my opinion.